Hey everyone, on the Wellers channel today I'll show you how to install Pygame. To install Pygame, open any browser and we'll need Python to start. Type in Python download. Yes, go to the site and select the latest version, or you can download it via the manager. It doesn't matter. Click download. Here we go, opening it. I have an update, you'll have an installation. That doesn't really matter. So the configurator opens. We don't need that. We need the command line. Type cmd, run it as administrator. And let's check right away. So type Python version here. Yes, so Python is installed. Next, type pip version here. There we go. We have pip specifically if you take it. And now to install it, just type pip install pygame. Hit enter. And the installation is underway. And that's it. We installed Pygame. You can use it now. That's all. If you need to update it, just type like pip install upgrade, right? That'll get you the latest version. Done. This was Wellers. See you later. This was Weller.